this keyword in Java.
In this program, we shall discuss about the keyword this. So here we have defined one class. The name of the class is my class, having private int a comma b, two instance variable. So public my class, so that is a constructor which is parameterized constructor having int a and b as input parameters. Now the thing is that these input parameters a and b and also the instance variables are a and b. So if we want to initialize this a with this input parameter a, then that may produce some ambiguity if you write a is equal to a. So that is ambiguous. So that's why it is better to write this dot a is equal to a. Here this is actually indicating the object which will be defined under the class my class. So that object name dot a, in this way I'm accessing the instance variable a is equal to a, and this a which is on the right hand side of this assignment statement is nothing but the input parameter a. Similarly, this dot b is equal to b here. This is my non-parameterized constructor. The constructor name will be same as that of the class name, that is a my class. Here also it is my class and it is non-parameterized, and here we are calling the these 0 comma 0. That means it will call the parameterized constructor with the value 0 and 0 as two parameters. So in this way, this is actually referring the constructor, that is the parameterized constructor, because we are passing this 0 comma 0 as the parameters. We are having the set data and it is having this a and b as input parameters, and this dot a is equal to a and this dot b is equal to b. That means the object defined under the class my class, that object name dot a is equal to input parameter a and object name dot b will be equal to input parameter b here. Display is actually displaying the value of a and b respectively. Now here we are having this keyword this, the class we are defining containing the main function. The my class is having the object, that is the my object is equal to new my class. So the new is the operator and this my class is actually the constructor with the help of which this my object has got defined. And now we are going for my object dot display. So display will print this a and b. We know that whenever you are calling this constructor is non-parameterized. That means this particular constructor has been called. So it will pass this, it will call this parameters constructor with the value 0 and 0. So what will happen, this a and b will be initialized with the value 0 and 0. So this my object dot display will print the value of a and b as 0 and 0. Next time we are calling this, that is a my object dot set data 23 comma 46. So set data will initialize this a and b with the respective values, and then my object dot display will print this 23 and 46 as the result, as the outcome. So in this way we have discussed that how this constructor can be defined and what are the different types of constructors are there, and also we have shown you that how to use the keyword this, and this is actually referring the object defined under the class. So you can also call it as a dummy object name.